Hey guys, today we have the Bose Sound Touch 20. We'll be installing the full body kit of Silver Brushed. It's going to give your Sound Touch a totally different look than the original white. The full body kit comes with the top, with the button cutouts, the front panel, and a set of sides. This one doesn't come with a back because this is going to be primarily propped up against the wall, unlike the portable. You can also purchase other color options for certain parts of this device, just so it gives it a radical different look, as you can see from this black and red carbon fiber on the portable. Let's start off by installing the easy part of this first, which are the sides. While installing the sides, you want to start at the seam at the top of the device. Once you have that seam lined up with your skin, go towards the bottom, and you're going to realize that the bottom is lifted a little bit. All you want to do is press it down, and in order for it to stick, you want to heat it with your hairdryer, just lightly. Now it's on to the other side. The steps are the same. You want to peel it off the wax backing and line it up with the seam. Once you have the skin lined up with the seam, bring it down to the bottom, and then press that little flap down. And then, once again, heat that down with your hairdryer. For our next step, we're going to install the top of this Bose Sound Touch. As you can see, there's individual buttons, but for this, we're going to peel out the outer border first. Once peeled, you want to align it around the buttons on the device. Once you have a nice thin border around it evenly, you may press it down. Now that the top's evenly installed, you want to grab your hairdryer and follow the same methods we did on the sides. You want to heat those little flaps down so that the adhesive would activate and that the skin can form to the device. Our next step is a nice little added addition to the top skin of this device. It's the added buttons. It gives it a nice little flair to it. So you want to grab a piece of tape. For this instance, we're going to grab a piece of packing tape, just so we can lift it all up at the same time. Now it's easier for you to line up all of them at the same time, nice and evenly. Once you see all the numbers and other icons through the holes of the buttons, and you feel it centered, you may press it down as one piece. You may want to put a little bit of pressure on the buttons, just so you know that they really stick. Alright, to finish up our color combination, we're going to install the front panel. You want to fold the wax paper halfway down the skin. Now, to align it up, you want to try to kiss the edge of the top and align it around the Bluetooth signal. Now, we're going to lift the rest of it off the wax backing and continue down the rest of the front plate. You want to align it around the Bose symbol so you have a nice black border. As you can tell, I'm a little off, so I'm lifting it back up, but at this point, be very gentle because the skin is delicate. Alright, so once you have it realigned, you can fully press the whole front panel down. Also, there's another piece for the bottom button. You can peel this completely off the wax backing and just align it completely around the button. Remember, keep it centered. Alright guys, till next time.